class 9. Welcome to maths class. We have completed chapter 12. Today we are going to start chapter 13, surface area and volume. First I want to tell you about the formulas of different shapes. Cuboid. This is the figure of cuboid, length, breadth and height. How we find the volume of cuboid? Formula is volume equal to L into B into H, length into breadth into height. If we have to find the area of four walls, formula is 2 into L plus B into H, 2 into length plus breadth into height. And if we have to find the total surface area of cuboid, formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now next is cube. All sides are equal in cube. Volume is side into side into side equal to side whole cube. We can write. Area of four walls 4 into side square, and the total surface area 6 into side square. Next is cylinder. This is the height of cylinder, this is the radius, and if we have to find the volume of cylinder, formula is pi r square h, and curved surface area or lateral surface area equal to 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r into h plus r. Next is cone. This is height, this is radius, and this is slant height L. If we have to find the volume, formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and curved surface area pi r L. Total surface area pi r into L plus r. L is slant height. If we have to find L, r and h are given, then formula is L equal to square root s square plus r square by Pythagoras theorem. And now sphere. How to find the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube, curved surface area 4 pi r square, and total surface area 6 pi r square. Hemisphere, volume 2 by 3 pi r cube, curved surface area 2 pi r square, and total surface area 3 pi r square. Now I am going to explain some question of exercise 13.1. Question number 1 is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. It is opened at the top. Determine first part the area of the sheet required for making the box, and second part the cost of sheet for it if 1 meter square cost rupees 20. A plastic box is given. It is open from the top. Length is given 1.5 meter and width is given 1.25 and the height is given 65. If we convert into meter, we get 0.65 meter. Length 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter, height 65 centimeter. These are in meter, so we have to convert the height into meter. Height equal to 65 by 100 meter, height equal to 0.65 meter. Now we have to find the area of the sheet required for making the box, and this box is open from the top. So we have to calculate the area of four walls plus area of the bottom. Area of the four walls 2 into L plus B into height, and area of the bottom is it is in rectangular shape, so length into breadth L into B. So area of the sheet required for making the box that is open at the top equal to 2 into L plus B into H plus LB. Now we have to put all the values here. 2 into 1.5 plus 1.25 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25. 2 into, when we add this 2, we get 2.75 into 0.65 as it is plus 1.5 into 1.25 as it is. Now multiply these three, we get 3.575 plus multiply these two, we get 1.875. So when we add these two terms, we get 5.45 meter square. So area of the sheet required for making the box that is open from the top is 5.45 meter square. Now second part, we have to find the cost also. 1 meter square cost is given rupees 20, and we are having here 5.45 meter square, so we have to multiply it by 20. Cost of 1 meter square rupees 20, cost of 5.45 meter square equal to rupees 20 into 5.45. When we multiply these two, we get rupees 109. Now question number 2. The floor of a rectangular hole has perimeter 2.50 meter, if the cost of painting 4 walls at the rate rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. Now perimeter of the hall is given and total cost of painting the 4 walls and cost per meter square is given. We have to find the height of the hall. Length, let the length be L meter, breadth be B meter and the height be H meter. Perimeter 2 into L plus B. We all know the formula. Now perimeter is already given 250. 2 into L plus B equal to 250. This is equation 1. Now area of the 4 walls of the room equal to total cost to paint of 4 walls. It is given, total cost is given, total cost to paint of 4 walls by cost of 1 meter square of 4 walls. Now area of the 4 walls of the room formula is 2 into L plus B into height equal to total cost is given rupees 15,000 upon cost of 1 meter square rupees 10. 0 cancel. 250. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Value is 250. Put the value 250 into H equal to 1500. H equal to 1500 by 250. 0 cancel. When we cancel it, we get 6. So height of the hall is 6 meter. Now you have to try exercise 13.1. Thank you so much.